Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Dost my dear friends. I am back again with another important update for all of you. Now this time this update is coming from DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, Recruitment and Assessment Center RAC. Recruitment and Assessment Center means the body that is responsible for recruiting of engineers, recruitment of scientists and conducting online tests for such kind of recruitment. Now what they are saying, requirement of a valid GATE score for direct recruitment of scientist B in DRDO. So at the scientist B position, they need a valid GATE score. So what they are saying, be it known to the candidate desirous of recruitment to the position of scientist B in DRDO that organization may be notifying vacancies of scientist B for the year 2024 in the next few months. In the next few months, they will be letting you know about the vacancies for the position of scientist in DRDO. Depending upon the requirement, the direct recruitment will be conducted on the basis of a valid GATE score. So if you fill up the GATE form now and you appear for GATE exam in 2024, then you can use that GATE score to apply in DRDO. Okay. Or written test or interview for vacancy in the discipline for which GATE is conducted, including those under life sciences, humanities, social sciences. So basically they are saying GATE score and or written test. That means they might even conduct a separate written test or they might even conduct a written test after a GATE score. Only those candidates who will possess a valid GATE score on crucial date of eligibility will be considered for written test or interview. Without GATE score, they will not consider you for the written test. Okay. Without GATE score, they are not going to consider you. That is why GATE score is mandatory. The exemption from possessing a valid GATE score granted to candidate from IIT and NIT has been withdrawn. That now even IIT and NIT people will have to have a GATE score, then only they can enter DRDO. Without GATE score, even students from IIT and NIT cannot go into DRDO. All aspirants wishing to join DRDO must now necessarily possess a GATE score. So without GATE score, there will be no recruitment in DRDO. Now, this is a very good news, a very welcome news to all the GATE aspirants that now there will be a uniformity, right? Earlier, what used to happen that students from IIT and NIT could get direct entry to DRDO, but the students from private colleges could not get direct entry. Now the playing field is leveled. Everybody has to give GATE and then only they can enter DRDO. This is one more reason why should you appear for GATE in the year 2024. And beta, if you do wish to appear, then you can still be a part of Exam Dost. Our batches are running at 30% discount. You just have to log on to our website or app and use the code ED30 on Lakshya June batch. For any other batch, if you are looking for discounts, remember to message us on our WhatsApp number 7089047561. Moreover, beta, we are launching a power systems dedicated course that will be starting on 14th of September. So you can enroll into the power systems course. You are getting a flat 20% off using the code PS20. PS20. And test series also you are getting a 10% discount simply by using the code Ankit ESE. Test series 10% discount using Ankit ESE. Power system 20% discount using PS20. And on June batch 30% discount using the code ED30. For any other queries, message us on our WhatsApp number. We'll be happy to help you. We'll be happy to revert to all your queries. But remember, this is a very, very good news. And also mention in the comment section, what do you think about this move from DRDO? What is your opinion on it? I would definitely like to read the students' opinion, and whatever queries you may have, I'll revert that in the comment section. If you wish to talk to me one-to-one or get your any of the queries answered, then message us on our WhatsApp number, again 7089047561. And if you want to know the details of this, you can visit their website rac.gov.in. Okay, www.rac.gov.in. There you will get all the details. Thank you, everybody.